Okay, lab number 82, braking distance. Braking distance is the distance the car travels after the driver applies the brakes and until the car comes to a full stop. Other things being equal, the vehicle with a shorter braking distance is going to be safer. When the brakes are applied, the brake pads push against the metal section of the wheel called the rotor. Okay, what happens is that the brakes and the rotor act as friction against the wheels, which slows down the turning of the wheels and makes your car come to a complete stop here. Okay, so what we have is, our challenge question is, how can friction lower the risk of getting into an accident? Okay, we also talked about in other labs about how tires also act and help you stop because they also apply friction to the ground, which also causes a car to stop. So what you have today is you're going to have a cart, you're going to have a ramp, 2 tracks, a piece of cloth that is going to be taped onto the track. This piece of cloth is going to cause friction, which is going to act as your brakes in this lab. Okay, so the cloth is going to be your brake, and then we're going to have a meter stick. You need to make sure that you have this table copied down into your lab notebook so that we can record the information. You'll notice that we're going to do 3 trials. Okay, we've done this before. The fast notch, which is notch A, the medium, which is B, and the slow, which is C. And we're going to have our trials, and our distance is going to be measured in centimeters, and then we are going to find out the average of the 3 trials. Okay, so here we go. We're going to put the back wheels so they're lined up with notch A. Let go of the cart without adding a force to it. Okay, we're going to come here and we're going to say that this is at 45 centimeters. Okay, so in trial 1, in the fast notch, 45 centimeters. Okay, now we're going to do trial number 2, notch A. Again, letting it go without adding a force. And we're looking at, we'll call it 49 centimeters. Okay, that's trial number 2, so please record that in your lab notebook. Okay, your third trial from notch A, fast. Okay, again, I just let it go, and we're at 51 centimeters. So in your book, we had the numbers 45, 49, and 51. Now you need to figure out the average braking distance. Take the 3 trials, add them up, divide by 3, and that will be your average braking distance. So now we're going to go from the point B, which is our medium speed. Same setup. Let go of the car on the track. Let it come to a rest. And we're going to call that 33 centimeters. So 33 centimeters for medium, trial 1. Second trial from medium. Okay, we're looking at about 38 centimeters. So trial 2, 38 centimeters. Trial number 3, notch B. And we're looking at 39 centimeters. So again, we had 33, 38, and 39. Please find the average of the braking distance for medium speed by adding the 3 up, dividing by 3. Okay, the next one, we're going to slow it down to the slow speed, which is notch C. Again, let it go. We're looking at about 18 centimeters for trial 1, notch C. Second trial, 18 centimeters. And the third trial from notch C, the slow notch, and just at 19 centimeters. So again, please record those. We had 18, 18, and 19. Again, find the average of the braking distance for the slow speed, which was C. And at this time, you need to answer analysis questions 1 through 4. This is Lab 82, braking distance.